Hello and welcome to Plug Life Television. So you've come to Scotland with your EV, maybe you're a tourist, maybe you're here on business. The important thing is that you've not got a ChargePlace Scotland account or an RFID card. So how can you use the ChargePlace Scotland charge points? Well, it turns out that ChargePlace Scotland has a little known WebPay feature. So what you do is you go to their website, chargeplacescotland.org, and you scroll down to the WebPay link here. And that takes you to webpay.chargeplacescotland.org. Then you look for the ID number, which will be a 5-digit number on the front of the charge point, 50223 for this one. So what we do is we put that in, 50223, proceed. And when it feels like it, it will load the next stage, which will show you the sockets that are available. It shows you the tariff, any overstay penalties and so on. So we're going to want the socket that's closest to us, socket 1. Let's just click on that. Terms and conditions, proceed to payment. And of course, because you don't have an account, it needs to learn your payment details. So this is where you stick in your payment details here. So bear with me. I'm just going to fill in my stuff. Get your own credit card. Stop looking at me. Now, you may get a notification from your bank saying it needs your approval. So you go into your banking app and do that, standard stuff really. Excellent. So once that's done, you'll see this screen which says payment has been authorized. So you begin your charging session now by clicking this button, and it'll tell you to plug in your vehicle within the next 60 seconds. I better get running. In fact, you'll see that that light on the side of the charge point has gone blue instead of green. When it's green, it means it's available. When it's blue, it means that it's been authorized and it's waiting on you connecting the plug. My Leaf is now charging. So that's all being done via a web page on the browser on your phone. You don't need an app. You don't need an RFID card. And you'll see this screen here. So it will update fairly regularly to show you how much time's elapsed and how much power has been drawn. Or sorry, actually how much energy has been drawn, not power. Goodness sake. And it will give you the running total as well. So yeah, every minute that gets updated. Probably a good idea not to close that screen on your phone. Keep that up whatever you do. So sometime later when you come back to your car, you can stop the charging session using the same web page. That's been more than 60 seconds and it's not actually updated. However, I can tell you going by the screen on the charge point that the car is charging. So it will update the billing accordingly. But anyway, what you would do is click end session. And if we have a look at the charge point there, you should see that blue light switch to green, hopefully, in the near future, in the next few seconds. There we go. Disconnect plug. Yeah, I don't know if you can make that out from the screen here, but it has said that's it done. The total energy that was consumed, the total charge time, and it's saying plug A, disconnect plug. So that's how you use a ChargePlace Scotland charge point or rapid charger without having a ChargePlace Scotland account. All you need is your credit card or debit card, and you can put it in using a browser page on your phone.